Hello everyone, today I'm excited to present my project, a PyTorch-based neural style transfer system for artistic image generation. First introduced in the landmark 2015 paper by Gates, Edgar, and Basic, neural style transfer is a fascinating deep learning technique that takes the semantics content of one photograph and reimagines it in artistic style, textures, and color palette of completely different artwork. What makes this project truly special is that we are not training the neural network weights. Instead, we keep a pre-trained VGG19 network completely frozen and use gradient descent to directly optimize the pixel values of a canvas image. This makes the system computationally efficient, lightweight, and accessible on standard CPUs without requiring high-end GPUs. Look at the system architecture. At the heart of our system is the VGG19 pre-trained on ImageNet, a convolutional neural natural learns hierarchical representation. The earlier layers detect low-level textures, sharp edges, and local color gradients. The deeper layer captures the high-level semantic object structural boundaries and scene layouts. Inside our model at Python module, we created a custom VGG19 feature extractor class. It performs high single forward pass and extracts activation from. Yeah, this is a custom VGG19 feature extractor function. As you can see, like con4 con as a content layer preserving overall other structures, con1 con2 con3 con4 con5 as a style layers capturing multi-scale brushstrokes and textures. We also built an internal image normalization module so that image inputs was normalized on the fly while targeting pixels stay cleaning clamp between zeros and ones. Now let's discuss the mathematical foundation. How do we separate style from content? For content loss, we compute the mean squared error between the feature extractions, like feature activations of a target image and content photography at the con4. And for style loss, we compute like we cannot use the raw feature maps because raw features preserve exact spatial positions. Instead, we use the graphics. This measures the features co-occurrence, for instance, how often a vibe blue color co-activates with the swirling brushstroke filter, while completely discarding where in the image those patterns occur. This makes the style representation spatially invariant. In main.python, we initialize the target image as a clone of a content image optimization it using the Adam optimizer with a learning rate of 0.02. After every optimizer step, we clamp the pixels like 0, 1 to maintain valid image data. Every 50 steps, immediately snapshots are saved to track the progress to guarantee reproducibility across any platform. It is being containerized using Docker and Docker Compose. The Docker Compose YAML mounts local input and output directories as volumes, allowing user to run style transfer with a single command without worrying about Python dependencies. We have also provided a .env.example file exposing all configurations parameters like step count, learning weights, and loss weights. Let's examine our experimental results. First, this is our optimization GIF. You can see how the image begins as a crisp cityscape and progressively absorbs paint. Ray brushwork over 300 iterations, we generated three distinct artistic paintings. Like a cityscape in Japanese, ukiyo-e, woodblock, wave style, a cityscape in impressionist, starry night style, a portrait in cubist geometry, mosaic style. For each run, an automated meta data.json is shared with exact hyperparameters used. In conclusion, this project demonstrates the powerful transferability of CNN representation by repurposing the frozen features of VGG19 and leveraging second order statistics to gram metrics. We can synthesize complex artistic styles with a mathematical precision. Mm, The entire code base, Docker setup, technical report, and experimental gallery are available on my GitHub with the structured commit history. Thank you so much for watching.